Preview.
Friends, some picture from Guess Fun Club, and we are going to draw a zebra, a cartoon zebra.
A cartoon zebra. We'll need a black sketch pen.
Now I'm ready for some few colors. Let's start drawing.
Let's start drawing.
Yeah. So
Let's start with the eyes.
Yeah. I was about to say that one.
Okay, I need a black sketch pen. This sharpener is not working. Where's the other one?
I don't know, Papa.
You're just over here. You must have hidden it.
I will always not hide anything.
Okay, the eyes.
We're just going to draw one eye. No, Papa? Now what are you drawing? This part, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
What are you drawing? Papa? First, can I draw the ear?
Yeah. Is this good? Until now?
No.
Yes. The face is done. Now let's finish the body. Yes. The legs. Yes. Until here. Now let's do the tail. Done, Parikshet?
No.
Yes, we are almost done.
But I'm not done.
Parikshet is also almost done.
Almost, no?
Yes, almost done. We'll be using black color to color this. That's gonna be easy. And the cartoon zebra is ready. Are you done, Parikshet?
Yep. Papa, you forgot something.
What did I forgot?
The ears.
The ears.
Yep.
The ears. So we are done with the drawing of cartoon zebra.
Yeah.
Did you love the drawing?
If you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of this amazing video.
Until then,
Have a good day.
have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.